question is, find the area bounded by the curve y equals x cube, x-axis and ordinates x equals minus 2 and x equals 1. First we have to draw the figure. So for that I'll sketch the graph of this, and for this I'll find some ordered pairs. Yes, when x is 0, y will be 0. When x is negative 1, y will be negative 1. When x is minus 2, y will be minus 8. When x is 1, y will be 1. When x is 2, y will be 8. So now we will plot these ordered pairs. First ordered pair is 0, 0 here. Then minus 1, minus 1 here. Minus 2, minus 8 here. 1, 1 here. And 2, 8 here. When we join these points, we will get this curve. Now we are to find the area bounded by this curve, x-axis and the ordinates x equals minus 2 and x equals 1. So this is the ordinate x equals minus 2 and this is x equals 1. Now we have to find the area bounded by this curve, these ordinates and x-axis. The required area is this and this. Right? So we have to find out this area. So the required area is area OABO plus area OCDO. So first we will find out this area and then this area, right? Now to get the area of this region OABO, what I'll do, I'll consider a vertical strip here. Width of the strip will be dx, length of the strip will be y, and to cover this area, the strip will move from 0 to 1. So limits of integration will be from 0 to 1. Similarly, to get the area of the region OCDO, I'll consider a vertical strip here, right? Width of the strip will be dx, length will be equal to y. And to cover this region, the strip will move from minus 2 to 0. So limits of integration will be from minus 2 to 0. Right? And yes, as this portion, this region is below x-axis, so we will take the absolute value. Right? So now we have to evaluate this. So I call this as I1 and this as I2. Now first I'll evaluate I1, which is equal to integral y dx from 0 to 1. Right? Now equation of the curve is y equals x cube. So I'll replace y with x cube. So I'll get integral x cube dx from 0 to 1. And yes, integral is x to the power 4 over 4 from 0 to 1. So I1 is equal to 1 by 4. Now I will evaluate I2, which is integral y dx from minus 2 to 0 and this absolute value. Y is equal to x cube. So I'll get this. Now integration is x to the power 4 over 4 from minus 2 to 0 and this absolute value. Value at the upper limit is 0 minus value at the lower limit. Replace x with minus 2. Here I'll get 16 over 4. On simplification, I'll get minus 4 and absolute value of minus 4 is 4. So I2 is 4. So required area, which was I1 plus I2. Now I1 is 1 by 4, I2 is 4. So I'll get 17 by 4 square units. Next question is, using method of integration, find the area of the region bounded by these three lines. Right? So let this be the first line, this be the second line, and this be the third line. So area bounded by these three lines will be triangle ABC, right? Now first we need to find the vertices of the triangle. Now this A is the point of intersection of this line and this line. So in order to get the coordinates of the point A, I'll solve 2x plus y equals 4 and 3x minus 2y equals 6. So in order to solve these two equations, I'll multiply this equation with 2. So I'll get 4x plus 2y equals 8. And second equation is 3x minus 2y equals 6. I'll add them up. This will get cancelled out. So I'll get 7x equals 14. From here, x is equal to 2. Now when x is 2, y will be equal to 4 minus 2x. That is 4 minus 2 into 2, which is 0. So coordinates of this point A will be 2, 0. Similarly, to get the coordinates of the point B, I'll solve the equation 2x plus y equals 4 and x minus 3y plus 5 equals 0. So in order to solve these two equations, I'll multiply this equation with 2. So I'll get 2x minus 6y equals negative 10. Now I will solve these two. I'll subtract. This will get cancelled out. Here I'll get 7y equals 14. So y will be 2. So when y is 2, x will be equal to 1. So coordinates of the point B will be 1, 2. Similarly, to get the coordinates of the point C, I'll solve 3x minus 2y equals to 6 and x minus 3y plus 5 equals 0. So in order to solve these two equations, I'll multiply this equation with 3. So I'll get 3x minus 9y equals minus 15. And second equation is 3x minus 2y equals 6. I'll subtract. This will get cancelled out. Here I'll get minus 7y equals minus 21. So from here y is 3. When y is 3, x will be 4. So C is 4, 3. Now I will plot the vertices A, B and C. Now first vertex A was 2, 0. Here is A, then B was 1, 2, and then C is 4, 3, right? This is 2, 0. Now I join these vertices, I get the triangle ABC. Now using integration, I need to find out the area of this triangular region. Now I'll draw perpendicular to x-axis from the vertices of the triangle. A itself is on x-axis. Now from this point B, I drop a perpendicular BM on x-axis, and from the point C, I drop a perpendicular CN on x-axis. Now from the figure, area triangle ABC, that is area this region, will be equal to area BCNM, that is this area, और अब इस area में से what I'll do, I'll subtract this area and this area. Do I get the triangle ABC? Yes. So area triangle ABC can be written as area BCNM minus area BMA, that is this part, minus area CAN, that is this part. Now first I'll find out area region BCNM. BCNM. For that, I'll consider a vertical strip in this region like this. Width of the strip will be dx. Length of the strip, this point has coordinates x comma y. So length of this strip will be equal to y coordinate, but this point lies on BC. So it is y of BC, right? So this is the area of the elementary strip. Now to get the area of this region, the strip will move from 1 to 4. So limits of integration will be from 1 to 4. Yes, now I want y of BC. Now look here. Equation of BC is x minus 3y plus 5 equals 0. That is this. From here, I'll get the value of y. So minus 3y is equal to minus 5 minus 6. So from here, y is equal to 5 plus 6 over 3. So y of BC is 5 plus 6 over 3. I'll put this value here. So I'll get integral 5 plus 6 over 3 dx from 1 to 4. I'll take 1 by 3 outside the operator. It is constant. So integration 5 plus 6 dx from 1 to 4. Now this integration will be 5x plus x square by 2 from 1 to 4. So this is 1 by 3. I'll find out the value at the upper limit. So replace x with 4. Here I'll get 20. 16 by 2. Value at the upper limit minus value at the lower limit. 5 plus 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 3. 20 plus 16 by 2 minus 5 minus 1 by 2. It's 1 by 3. It's 15 plus 15 by 2. So it's 1 by 3. 30 plus 15 by 2. That is 3 into 2. So I'll get 15 over 2. So I have got the area of the region BCNM. Next I'll find out area BMA. For that, I'll consider a vertical strip in this part. That is in the region BMA, right? Now width of the strip will be dx and length of the strip will be equal to y coordinate of the point. And as the point will lie on AB, so we will follow y of AB. And to cover this region, the strip will move from 1 to 2. So limits of integration will be from 1 to 2. Right? So now I need to evaluate this. Now I want y of AB. Now look at this figure. Equation of AB, that is this line, is 2x plus y equals 4. 2x plus y equals 4. So from here, y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So this is y of AB. I'll put this value here. So it will be integral from 1 to 2, 4 minus 2x dx. Integration will be 4x minus 2x square over 2. This will get cancelled out from 1 to 2. Evaluate the value at the upper limit. Replace x with 2. Here I'll get 8 minus 4 minus value at the lower limit will be 4 minus 1. So I'll get 4 minus 3, that is 1. Now I will evaluate area of this region. For that, I'll consider a vertical strip in the region CAN. Let this be the vertical strip. Right? Width of the strip will be dx. Length of the strip will be equal to y coordinate of this point. This point lies on AC. So it will be y of AC. Now to cover this region, that is CAN, strip will move from 2 to 4. So limits of integration will be from 2 to 4. Now I want y of AC. So from this figure, equation of AC is 3x minus 2y equals 6. Right? So equation of AC is 3x minus 2y equals 6. From here, minus 2y will be 6 minus 3x. So y will be equal to 6 minus 3x over minus 2. That is 3x minus 6 over 2. This is y of AC. So I'll replace this with this. So I'll get integral 3x minus 6 over 2 dx from 2 to 4. From the numerator, I take the common factor 3 outside. So I'll get 3 by 2 x minus 2 dx from 2 to 4. It will be 3 by 2. Integration is x square over 2 minus 2x from 2 to 4. Now I evaluate this. It will be 16 by 2 minus 8, 4 by 2 minus 4. So it is 3 by 2, 0 minus 2. So I'll get 3 by 2 into 2, that is 3. So now area triangle ABC, which was equal to this. Now put the values. Area BCNM was 15 by 2. Area BMA was 1. Area CAN is 3. So I'll get area triangle ABC equals 15 by 2 minus 4. That is 15 minus 8 over 2, which is 7 by 2. So area triangle ABC is 7 by 2 square units.